Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to use the LOOkX Exclusive eyeliner. LOOkX Exclusive eyeliner comes in various colours. The eyeliner is a waterproof, long-lasting eyeliner with a soft texture. You can use this in the waterline for more of an intense look, and you can use this above the lashes to create that fuller looking lash. The exclusive eyeliner is easy to use, really easy and blendable, and it lasts up to 14 hours. The LOOkX Exclusive eyeliner is perfect to intensify any makeup look. Don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.